identification umdan.
The Hinyu-Trap Youth Council in Riphoi District conducted a surprise inspection at Resource Rubber Private Limited in Mawes Mai following multiple complaints of illegal operations and lacking of trading license. Tony Shala, General Secretary of HYC, led the inspection and subsequently announced the closure of the factory. He emphasized that the factory failed to produce a valid trading license and cautioned against reopening without proper documentation.
Nakaliang jong kanila company kila sekretary bean. Hakaba nakaliang jong kanila company kim syam la apply kila dan yang application direct katrika sen jong ki mentala system duna kalakut. Kim syam la burom yang di Council kan orem ba ngi kup ka sangat chwasi na po ka Riphoi District ni Sokhia ha lor ka jing dan jong kum kini ke barla ki bayok ban trai mon trai lai lui apo kan ka kabri unyu trap han ka dong Riphoi jongi bat khamtam ha bangi layok ban ya keren ban layok ban pan nau trai jong kan ka company ya ki kot ki slide watang ba in island watang ba in pen I ya kan ka trading license trap uklam pen I.
In a major turn of events, US President Joe